Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use flight credits on Frontier Airlines. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Frontier application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Frontier if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom corner, we have the home where you can go, of course, and book your flights. We have the book flight where you can go and also book a flight and your trips, the flight status, and in the bottom right corner, we have the more options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use flight credits on Frontier Airlines. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So to visit the website or log into your account on the mobile app, and go to book a flight section and select your desired flight. So go to book a flight, put in all the information about the flights and click on there. When you reach the payments screen, select credit with Frontier, enter the confirmation code from your original booking, a 6-character combination of letters and numbers, then follow the prompt to complete your booking. Just know that the flight credit may not cover the entire value of the new flight and any remaining balance will need to be paid with a credit card. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.